Hello, I'm Philip Stoughton. I'm here at SMT 2014 in Nuremberg, and I'm joined by Mark Stansfield from SolderStar. Mark,
hi, nice.
Thanks for stopping by to chat. Start by telling me a little bit about SolderStar and the organisation. You're a little over 10 years old now in the market.
We are, yes. The company was formed in 2002 by myself and Patrick, my business partner. We entered the market predominantly with reflow style systems, small 4-channel, 6-channel device, which was quite successful for us. Myself, I'm a software engineer, Patrick's a design engineer, electronics design engineer. So together we developed the range over the last 11, 12 years, expanding into wave solder, vapor phase, selective solder.
And you're offering thermal profiling hardware but also software to support that?
We do, yes. Everything's developed in-house. Of course, profiling systems now at least a 50% software product, and tools are quite advanced. Obviously all systems can produce temperature and time, but what we do is take it to the next step, which is to produce tools for full process control. We have optimization tools to allow the engineer to capture what the process is doing today. Then with simulation algorithms we can quickly find the optimum settings for the thermal process.
Okay, and in terms of optimizing that, what's driving the demand for that? And is there a big change with lead-free, for example, in terms of what it means in terms of the demands of the thermal profiles?
Yeah, I mean, the change to lead-free was a real driving force in investment in this type of equipment. Of course, for many years, people were running the same profiles on the machines. The process window was quite wide. It was quite easy to achieve on a good quality machine. When lead-free came, that all changed. So profiling really came to the limelight, and that's why the tools have been developed up to such a level now to help with that change over to lead-free. And more recently, energy is a big driving force. People are looking to find a process that's not maybe the absolute optimum, but at reduced running costs, which is something we can help with as well.
Okay. What about changeover time? I've talked to a couple of companies, and the placement guys, the print guys, are always driving really hard to get the placement time, but changeover time reduced. But ovens take time to heat up and cool down. Is there a way you can reduce that changeover time by maybe putting the thermal patterns in the right order or planning the jobs better?
Yeah, that's true. I had the same discussion actually with a company in France, explaining exactly that problem, where the changeover time with certainly coming down in temperature with the oven is quite difficult. And what you can do with the software tools, again, it depends on the thermal masses on the assemblies, but we're looking really to just find a process change with just speed. So of course the speed is almost instant. That's not always the case, but using the tools we can profile the different assemblies that the manufacturer may produce, and then look for at least a smaller subset of recipes to run on the lines, and ideally harmonise some of the profiles with just the speed change.
Yeah, almost creating profile families, I guess. And you've got your own booth here, but you've also got an exhibit on the Rain booth, I believe. Tell me about that partnership.
Yeah, we started in December with a special development for those guys. They have a new high-end vapor phase machine with vacuum stage, which is quite difficult to profile. Of course, we can't use long wires outside, which is quite common on vapor phase. So we have a special system that can pass through the vapor phase machine. But what drew Rheem to SolderStar was our telemetry system, which is a really unique two-way system, which allows us to keep the communication live even through the vacuum stage. So we produced a software library for those guys to interface to our hardware. It's running live on their machine at the show. It's really nice. They've done a really nice job of their new PC software, so it's exciting.
Good. Okay, and last question, what's the market here in Europe doing for you at the moment? Is it fairly buoyant, or?
It's good at the moment, I'm not sure we're fully out of recession, I don't know, but our sales are growing. We have a real can-do attitude to development and working with customers to produce special design, special software. They're all things that we're very flexible and open to, and it's certainly grown our project significantly.
So does that mean you're taking a much more consultative approach when you talk to a client than an off-the-shelf solution? Are you customizing most of your output?
Certainly on the wave solder side and selective soldering side, it's very common for those guys to invest in fixed width production and things like this. And we have some very cost-effective ways to tailor our products to their specific needs, which that's what we need to do. It's not difficult. It's just we're an engineering-led company, and it's what we're good at.
Yeah, technology-led but customer-led at the same time.
Correct. Yes.
Absolutely. Mark, thanks for stopping by.
Okay,
Enjoy the rest
pleasure.
of the show, and I hope it's good for you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks.